Michael Lee here from BBRY4U. Today I'm bringing you the OnePlus 6. This is the latest handphone from OnePlus. So we're going to do some unboxing today. So this is the box where it comes from. You can see the number 6 over here. So let's open up the box and see what is inside. So once you open the box, you will see the new handphone itself, OnePlus. We'll take that out. So you can see it's a gorgeous handphone. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, you have the dash charger, the dash charger cable, and inside here you have another box. Let's see what you get. So what you can see here, you have the casing itself. Okay, so this is the casing. You have the casing, and then you have the instructions manual books. Okay, this is for your SIM card. So this is what you get out of the box. Marvelous.